Imagine a world where an iPhone is produced every second. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what's happening with the iPhone 15. The iPhone 15's production is on a scale that's almost hard to fathom. It all starts in China, where trial production is currently underway. This phase is crucial, setting the stage for every iPhone that rolls off the assembly line. It's a meticulous process where every component, every detail is scrutinized, tested, and perfected. But the iPhone 15 story doesn't end in China. Apple has big plans to accelerate manufacturing in India. This isn't just about meeting demand, it's a strategic move. Historically, India has lagged behind China in production by 6 to 9 months. But with the iPhone 15, Apple aims to close that gap to just a few weeks. So, the iPhone 15 isn't just another smartphone, it's a testament to Apple's relentless drive towards innovation and global reach. Now, let's delve into the fascinating process that brings the iPhone 15 to life. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Each musician plays a vital role, contributing to the overall performance. The production process of the iPhone 15 is much like this orchestra, a complex yet harmonious interplay of various elements. At the heart of this symphony is the New Product Introduction or NPI process, the maestro of our metaphorical orchestra. This process is where the magic truly begins. It involves an initial trial phase where a bill of materials is created. This bill is essentially the blueprint of the iPhone 15, detailing every component that goes into making this technological marvel. Next, the manufacturing machines are tested. Picture a dress rehearsal, ensuring each instrument is in tune and ready to perform. It's during this phase that the potential issues are identified and addressed, much like an orchestra fine-tuning its performance before the big concert. Quality monitoring is established as well. Think of it as the critical ear of the conductor, ensuring that each note played is perfect. This process ensures that every iPhone 15 that rolls off the production line meets the high standards that Apple is known for. The stage for this grand performance is the Hanhai Shenzhen Guanlan factory in China, a colossal production facility where the iPhone 15 is brought to life. A place where technological innovation and manufacturing prowess come together to create something truly extraordinary. The production process of the iPhone 15 is not a simple task. It's a complex and intricate dance involving countless moving parts. But when broken down, it's essentially about planning, execution, and quality control. Apple's meticulous approach to each of these stages ensures that the iPhone 15 isn't just another smartphone. It's a symphony of technology, design, and innovation. A testament to Apple's unwavering commitment to quality and their relentless pursuit of perfection. It's clear that every iPhone 15 is a product of meticulous planning, detailed execution, and stringent quality control. The iPhone 15's production story doesn't end in China, it extends all the way to India. India, a vibrant nation teeming with technological prowess and an abundance of skilled labor, has caught Apple's eye. The tech giant aims to accelerate the production of the iPhone 15 in India, reducing the traditional time gap between the start of mass production in China and India. Historically, this gap stretched to 6 to 9 months, but Apple is flipping the script. The goal now is to shorten this interval to a mere few weeks. Why the change, you ask? Well, it's all part of Apple's broader strategy to diversify its manufacturing bases across the globe, and India has emerged as a key player in this grand scheme. By shifting gears and focusing on India, Apple isn't just diversifying, it's creating a ripple effect that could significantly boost India's role in global production. The initial trial phase, which involves creating a bill of materials, testing manufacturing machines, establishing quality monitoring, and identifying potential issues, has already begun at the Hanhai Shenzhen Guanlan factory in China. This process, known as the New Product Introduction or NPI, will soon take flight in India. This strategic move is not without its benefits. By speeding up production in India, Apple can more quickly meet the global demand for the iPhone 15, ensuring that you, the eager customer, won't have to wait too long to get your hands on this latest marvel of technology. Moreover, this shift is likely to have a profound impact on India's economy. It's estimated that by 2023, as much as 5% of iPhone production could be shifted to India. This means increased employment opportunities, technological advancements, and a significant boost to the country's GDP. So, as we peel back the layers of the iPhone 15's production process, we see that it's much more than just a smartphone coming off an assembly line. So, the iPhone 15 isn't just a smartphone, It's a symbol of Apple's commitment to diversify its manufacturing bases and elevate India's role in global production. The iPhone 15's production process is a testament to Apple's dedication to innovation and diversity. What we've uncovered today is more than just a glimpse into the making of a smartphone. It's a deep dive into a world of tireless innovation, meticulous planning, and a commitment to diversity that goes beyond borders. Apple's initiative of commencing the trial production of the iPhone 15 in China, and its plans to rapidly scale up manufacturing in India, are clear indicators of the company's broader global strategy. The production process of the iPhone 15 involves a rigorous initial trial phase to create a bill of materials, test manufacturing machines, establish quality monitoring, and identify potential issues that could affect full-scale production. This process, known as the New Product Introduction or NPI, is being undertaken at the Hanhai Shenzhen Guanlan factory in China. The game-changing aspect of this entire process is Apple's intention to minimize the time gap between when mass production kicks off in India compared to China. The goal is to bring this period down to just a few weeks from what used to be 6 to 9 months. This is a significant step in Apple's grand scheme to diversify its manufacturing bases globally, with India serving as a key location. For the year 2023, Apple even plans to shift as much as 5% of its iPhone production to India. This inside look at Apple's all-new iPhone 15 factory is more than just an exploration of the latest technology. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection, the commitment to a global vision, and the respect for diversity that is at the heart of Apple's philosophy. So next time you hold an iPhone 15, remember, it isn't just a smartphone, it's a symbol of global connectivity, innovation, and diversity. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence that defines Apple. It's a small piece of a much bigger picture, a picture that tells the story of a company that continues to set new standards, break boundaries, and redefine what's possible in the world of technology. Next time you hold an iPhone 15, remember, it isn't just a smartphone, it's a symbol of global connectivity, innovation,